Today I'll be talking about Android and Pixel phones. By default, your phone might have this type of version of, I don't know what you call it, the home button or whatever. And it might be missing the back button in some cases, like over here. If I want to get the back button, once I lift it, I can have the back button. But over here on this Pixel 3, I don't have the back button. When I scroll up, it's still missing the back button, so it's using gestures for shortcuts. So today I'm going to show you how to add the back button into Android, and hopefully it's for your version of Android. This is the latest Android on Pixel 3 for 2022. So first I'm going to go into settings. And then I need to go into accessibility. And we're looking for system control. This is not easy at all. And then system navigation. So I'm not sure what the default is. Let me go under my Pixel 3a and check. So I'm going to go under accessibility again, and go to system controls, and then you'll see for the system navigation, it is set to two button navigation. And when I click over here, I think you get to choose what kind of navigation you want when you set up with your phone. You might have accidentally chosen gesture navigation. Or if you're lucky, you left two button navigation. So if you do two button navigation, you'll have access to your back button. So I'm going to go do that. You'll see now I have my back button. Now, if you also want to have your app drawer button, the one that shows you how you can switch between different apps, like right now, if I want to switch between different apps, I have to slide up, and then that brings up the app drawer. So it's sort of like a hybrid gesture system navigation. If you want to have just 3 buttons with the app drawer, click for 3 button navigation, and you're good now. So now you have access to the back button as well as the app drawer. So this is like old school system navigation shortcut buttons on the bottom. So if you want to do that, that's one way to do that.